What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So you all know that I love earning free rewards and cash back by using my credit cards for my regular everyday purchases and of course paying them off on time every time without fail. And one of the easiest ways to do that is through simple flat cashback credit cards. And we've looked at a lot of these cards here on the channel, but today I want to compare two of the best free options that offer some of the highest cashback rewards on the market, and that would be the SoFi credit card and the Citi Double Cash card. So in today's video, let's put these two cards head to head, talk about the advantages and disadvantages of both, and hopefully help you decide which one might be the better financial tool for you. Alright, let's jump right into it. So I'm sure you know the drill at this point, but as expected, I have done separate reviews on both the Citi Double Cash card as well as the SoFi credit card. So I'll be sure to link to both of those videos down in the description below if you do want to check them out after this video. But the reason I'm specifically putting these two products head to head is because they offer many of the same benefits, especially when it comes to cash back. So for starters, both of these products offer unlimited 2% cash back on all of your purchases, but the way that you redeem that cash back and what you can use it towards is very different with these two products. With the SoFi credit card, you're going to get that 2% cash back in the form of SoFi points. And essentially for each dollar you spend, you're going to get 2 points or 2% back, since each point is worth 1 penny. So if you go and spend $100, then you'll earn 200 points, which again is going to be worth $2, equating to 2% cash back. Now, I know that all sounded really confusing, but I promise it is very simple, and actually, SoFi has tweaked this card a little bit since it was first launched a few months ago, and has made it a lot more simple. So, 2% back is great and all, but what really makes this product unique is that you can do so much with those points. So, like I said, you can obviously redeem it directly for cash into your SoFi money account, but you can also redeem those points towards fractional shares or even cryptos through your SoFi Invest account, use it to pay down eligible SoFi loans, or even use it to pay off your credit card balance if you have that, which hopefully you don't, but it's still a nice feature nonetheless. And the best part about all of this is that it's all done right through the SoFi app and is really easy to decide where and how you want to redeem those points. And if you just want to take the cash back, then you can go ahead and do that. But the fact that you're able to use this for so many other aspects of your financial health is really cool and unique in my opinion. Now, when it comes to the Citi Double Cash card, it's also completely free, meaning no annual fee. And again, you're going to get that 2% unlimited cash back, which is given to you in the form of 1% when you buy and 1% when you pay it off. So again, if you go and spend $100, you're immediately going to get 1% cash back in the form of $1, and then when you pay off that credit card balance of $100, you'll get an additional $1 in cash back. And obviously, if you put that together, that's a total of $2 or 2% cash back total. Now, similar to the SoFi credit card, this cash back is going to come to you in the form of Citi thank you points, and these can be redeemed directly for cash, put towards gift cards, or even used for purchases on sites like Amazon.com. So while there are a few different ways to redeem those points, it's all essentially going to be directly for cash, so there isn't a way to use it to pay down debt, pay off the credit card itself, or invest it for that matter. As far as customer service is concerned, both companies offer 24/7 customer support for their credit card services, and while I have never personally had to call Citi, in my research of not only this product but other Citi products, I have found that their customer support is pretty good and they usually answer the phone fairly quickly. Now, because I personally use SoFi for a number of different financial tools, I have called them several times, and every single time I have had nothing but a pleasant experience, and they always answer the phone really quickly and were able to resolve my question or issue without putting me on hold or handing me off to other departments. So it's impossible for me to say which one is better because I have never had to call Citi personally, but based on what I've read, it sounds like this category is essentially a tie because they do both offer that 24/7 really great customer support. Okay, but what about the all-important sign-up bonus? Because in a lot of cases, that is the reason that someone might choose a particular credit card over another. Well, I'll tell you right now that neither of these cards really offer a crazy sign-up bonus, which is honestly okay because they are both free credit cards. However, in the category of sign-up bonuses, SoFi definitely takes the win. At the time of recording this video, the Citi Double Cash card offers no sign-up bonus of any kind, which is a very common critique of this product, especially considering the the very similar Citi Custom Cash Card does also have a free, no annual fee structure, but has a $200 sign-up bonus when you spend $750 in the first 3 months. Now, SoFi doesn't really offer a sign-up bonus necessarily. However, depending on how you sign up, they will give you a 2x point bonus for the first 30 days of having this card, which basically means that for the first month, you're going to earn unlimited 4% cash back on all of your purchases, which is absolutely insane and unmatched on the market currently. Now again, if you compare that to a similar flat cashback bonus of a few $100s, then maybe this isn't anything too crazy depending on how much money you spend. But 4% back on everything for a month is still pretty awesome if you ask me. So I'm not sure if that is a general offer that is available to everyone or if it is just a referral offer, but I will leave a link down in the description below where you can get that 4% back for the first month, and you'll also help support my channel, which as always, I really appreciate a lot. So at the end of the day, you can probably tell that these two products are very similar. So what are the main differences that you want to keep in mind when making your decision? And more importantly, which one is the better fit for you? Well, they both have no annual fee, they both offer unlimited 2% cashback, they're both MasterCards, meaning you're going to have the same benefits that come with any MasterCard, and their customer support is pretty much identical. So really, the only major differences between the two that help separate these products is the way that you can redeem the points, the sign-up offer, and the overall user interface, and personally, I would say that SoFi wins all three of those categories. First of all, your options as far as redeeming your cashback points are much greater with SoFi when compared to the Citi Double Cash Card, because again, not only can you redeem it directly for cash into your SoFi money accounts, but you can also use it to pay off the credit card itself, invest it in fractional shares or even cryptocurrencies, or use it to pay off other debts that you may have with different SoFi loans. Compare that to Citi, and it's really just redeemed for cash or used for different gift cards, which is cool, but it's not exactly on the same level as the SoFi credit card. As far as the user interface is concerned, this is really the biggest difference between the two in my opinion, since Citi is a little bit stuck in the past as far as their mobile platform is concerned, while SoFi is a very modern fintech company that allows you to track all of your financial metrics under one easy to use and modern app on your smartphone. And the last thing I will mention is that while it does depend on a number of different variables and factors, I would say that getting the SoFi credit card is probably a little bit easier than the Citi Double Cash Card, especially if you have no credit history at all. Most credit card junkies would agree that the Citi Double Cash Card is not exactly a beginner credit card, and while it's definitely in those beginner stages, if you have absolutely no credit history at all, then you might have some difficulty getting it right out of the gate. The SoFi credit card, on the other hand, is largely designed for people who are brand new to credit cards, so in most cases, you shouldn't have any problem getting approved for this product if this is your first line of credit. So while these cards are very similar across the board, I personally will be sticking with the SoFi credit card just because of the various redemption options that are really cool and unique, the much more modern interface, and of course that sign-up bonus, which is a huge advantage of SoFi currently. But I would love to know if you prefer the Citi Double Cash Card or the SoFi credit card down in the comment section below, and why you feel that is the better fit for you. As always, if you did get value out of this content and you want to help support me, the easiest way to do that is actually checking out some of my favorite financial tools down in the description below and getting some free money while you're at it, which we always love. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future, and of course, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.